So guys, here you can see it, one more video has been came, and in today's video of the machine learning, I am telling you about the history of AI. AI means artificial intelligence. In today's video, I am telling you about the history of artificial intelligence. So get ready for that, and please hit a like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. You never miss our future latest videos. Okay, and in today's video we also see that the some artificial intelligence films. Okay, where so that's why this video very excited and see the video start to end. So now I didn't take it on them, so let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, like I've told you in my introduction, I am telling about the history of AI, so let's hear about it. So history of AI and machine learning means AI means artificial intelligence and ML means machine learning. In the 1950, Alan Turing published the Computer Machinery Intelligence. In the 1952, Arthur Samuel developed a self-learning program to play checkers. Number 1956, artificial intelligence used by John McCarthy in the conference. Number 1957, its first programming language for the numeric and scientific computing for 10. Now, 1958, first AI programming language Lisp. 1959, Arthur Samuel used the term of the machine learning. Okay, in the 1959, John McCree and Marvin Minsky founded the MIT Artificial Intelligence Project. In the 1961, first industrial robot Unimate on the assembly line at the General Motors. In the 1965, Elizabeth by Joseph Wegebium was first program that could be communicate on any topic. In the 1972, first logic programming language like Prolog. 1991, US forces used the DART, automated logistics planning and scheduling in the Gulf War. 1997, Deep Blue means IBM beats the world champion in the chess. 2002, the first robot cleaner Roomba by the name of Roomba. 2005, in 2005, one self-driving car Stanley wins DARPA. In 2018, it breakthrough in speech recognition Google. 2011, a neural network wins over humans in traffic sign recognition 99.46% versus 99.22%. In the 2011, Apple Siri has been invented, and in the 2011, Western IBM wins Jeopardy, and in 2014, Amazon Alexa has been came, and in the 2014, when Microsoft Cortana is come okay, and in the 2014, self-driving car like Google passes a state driving test. 2015, Google AlphaGo defeated various human champions in the board game Go. In 2016, the human robot Sophia by Hanson Robotics. Like this one mode, than this type of one robot has been made, and it's the robot name is Sophia. And the Hanson Robotics has been built this. Here you can see it. Who built this? Hanson Robotics, and his robot name is Sophia. Let's come on it. Why AI now? Why we are using the AI now? One of the greatest invocators in the field of machine learning was John McCarthy. Widely is recognized as a father of artificial intelligence. Who called the father of intelligence? John McCarthy. In the mid of 1950s, McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence and defined it as the science of make intelligent machines. The algorithms has been here since then. Why is AI more instructing now? The answer is first is its computing power has not been strong enough. Number 2, the computer storage has not been large enough. Number 3, big data has not been available. Number 4, fast internet has not been available. Another strong force is the major investment from big companies Google, like Microsoft, Facebook, YouTube, because their datasets became much too big to handle traditionally. Man versus machine. Like man smart, computer stupid, man slow, computer fast, like man inaccurate and computer accurate. Now let me give you some interesting questions. If you are studying AI, raises many interesting questions like, can computer think like humans? Can computers be smarter than humans? Can computer take over the world? There are many when you are studying the AI races, many interesting questions will came like that. Machine learning can understand verbal commands, recognize spaces, drive cars, and play games better than us. How long it will take before they walk among us? Like there are some artificial intelligence films has been came. This fun film has been came by the name of Metropolis in the German science fiction drama 1927. In the future, the wealthy industrials and business magnates and their top employees region over the city of Metropolis, from colossal skyscrapers by underground dueling workers' toy to operate the great machine that power it. And it rated as one of the greatest and most influential films ever made in the machine learning. Inscribed in the UNESCO's Memory of the World Register in 2001 as the first film thus diminished. Now, one more, the day the Earth stood still. American science fiction in the 1951 it has been game. It rated by the USS Film Registry in the 1995 as cultural, historical, and aesthetical and significant. 2008, a Space Odyssey one film has been came. Epic science fiction in 1968. This film has been came. It's selected for the preversion in the National Film Registry by the USA. Historical or aesthetical or significant. Like Library for the Congress in the 1991. Like historical or aesthetical and significant. Westworld. American Science Fiction Western 1973. An adult amusement park has 3 worlds populated with androids that are indistinguishable from human. Begins Western world, American Old West, medieval world, medieval Europe, and Roman world city of the Popple. Westworld is a story about the how intelligence can be used to entertain us and allow us to live out for the fantasies. Now, Star Wars, epic space opera film 1977. It winning the 7 Oscars at the 5th Academy Awards, including Best Picture. The Empire Strikes Back 1980 and Return of the Jedi like 1983 rounded the Wars trilogy. Is selected for the pre-version in the National Film Registry by the U.S. Library of the Congress in 1989 for begin cultural, historical, and aesthetical significance. Like in the 1977, one more film has been came by the name of Demon Seed. One more has been came Blade Runner. If you learn more about these whole films, so write in the Google write Demon Seed, so then it will tell you. In the 1983, one more film has been came War Games. 1984, The Terminator. 1985, Dairy. It's shiny science fiction film, and Daryl means like data analyzing robot youth life form. It's an artificial intelligence experiment created by the government. One more, in the 1986 Short Circuit, 1987 Robocop, 1994 Star Trek, 1999 Fictional Man. In the 2000 like The Matrix. This is a film of the science fiction action 1999. It's selected for the pre-version in the US National Film Registry by the Library of Congress in 2020 for begin cultural, historical, or aesthetical significance. In the 2001, one more film has been come by the name of A.I. Spielberg in the 2004. I Robot 2009 Moon, and one more film has been came by the name of Her. This film is the one science romantic drama 2013. There are develops a relationship with Samantha and artificial intelligence virtual. There are virtual assistants there are virtual assistants can be in the future. In the future, and in the future how we can fall in love with them. In 2013, The Machine. In 2014, Automata. One more film is The Imitation Game. It is one historical drama of 2014. It's based on the biography electing the Enigma by Andrew Hodges. The film title quotes the game Alan Turing proposed by for answering a question I can machine think. In his 1950, the seminal paper Computing Machinery and Intelligence. In 2015, Ex Machina. 2016, Westworld, like HBO series. The theme park Westworld is populated by hosts biomechanical robots indistinguishable for humans that are programmed to fulfill the gaps every desire. Westworld in a story about artificial intelligence can be used to entertain us and allow us to live out our fantasy. In 2016, Infinity Chamber. There was one science fiction film. A man who studied a government operation with a computer viruses in a hell in the automated financial facility that is overseen by an AI computer named Howard. In 2019, I am a mother. Then in 2019, I am a woman. It is a dictionary about AI and its social control power, how technology is changing our life, our society, and our future. In 2015, this is our last film has been came about the coded BIs, a detailed documentary about AI and bias that is embedded in this technology. So here you can see in today's video, we learn about the one history of the artificial intelligence. So I hope you can enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also. So never miss our future latest videos. So for today, goodbye.